Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello, Tom here. Okay, I'll show you a quick tour of our house. Starting in our bedroom. This is what our bedroom is like. Bertie, there. And that's where I sleep. Dad sleeps there. Okay. This is the living area. The living room where everything happens, where we have carver night usually, where we dance here, we eat, and my family have a TV, and they've got 5 speakers, which is kind of cool. They've got lots of nice colours going on. My sister and cousin sleep in there, and their kids. They're not related. And my other brother sleeps in there, Dan. And then this is kind of the kitchen and another living area where if they're having a smaller carver session, they'd have it here, or for family dinner. We used to have breakfast here. I kind of preferred it here because you can see them cooking the food. That's their dinner for later. Lots of fish. But they have that. This is stove. This is kitchen. My nana just went through. She's gonna come back. There's Nana. Hola.
Hola,
It's my nana, my mum.
my name is Una. I'm Tom's mother.
My mum. Ha. Fijian mum. Nana. There we go. Thank you, Nana. So yeah, that's my mum. She's very nice. Yeah, the kitchen. This is where we do the washing up. And then this is the toilet. Lots of cockroaches in there, not gonna lie. But the view over the Pacific Ocean is pretty crazy. That's the South Pacific Sea down there. Better from the shower. This is the shower. Check it out. Can you see? That is the sea down there. Mountains. It's pretty amazing. Kind of got to pinch yourself. And then my family like to hang out over there, and they boil the water in there. That's my tata waving, which is my dad, my Fijian dad. And lots of chickens everywhere, dogs everywhere, pigs, puppies. There's 2 puppies in the village. I'll show you the puppy. Come on. There goes the puppy. Run off. Down there. Little puppy. Chickens are going off. Not sure why. There's one of the dogs. Hello. Might be the mother. Yeah, that's my house. That's what it looks like from the outside. It's the biggest in the village because we have the most people living in it. I didn't show you my parents' room. I've actually never been in. Probably won't go in, but might just. That is in there. They have a bed. And that's the only chair in the house. And that's the washing machine. and we get power, we get electricity every night, probably. It comes on every night, and we don't have any hot water, so always cold showers. And obviously electricity is powered by the generator, which we keep under here. And that's the generator. It's the only way we get electricity. And that's our building, which I've shown you so much of.
You get the crowbar?
Yeah.
My hand. You see what's in my hand?
This is a long little vlog, but yeah, and that's from the other side. That's our room, and this, I'll show you the carver. This is carver. They dry out. They dry it out here. I've shown you the process of picking it, and then they grind it every day in this pot. You hear the bell. I might have shown you the bell already. Obviously volleyball here. Yeah. There you go. That's a little quick vlog of the house and the surroundings. We have one more day left in the village, and that's today. And then tomorrow we sleep, and then we leave at 8 or 9 in the morning, and we leave everybody here. Oh, it's going to be quite sad, especially leaving my family. Didn't think it would be, but that's just, my nana's cooked for us every day, and we've spoken to her every day. Oh, it's going to be sad. And my sibling, which you've seen lots of here, was Penny. And he likes the camera. Yeah, he's got a very snotty nose all the time. Where's the sun? Yeah. Do you have anything to say, Penny? Mai means here. Black or Mai means come here. No, sorry Penny. Oh, we've already been filming for 8 minutes. That's a long time. Cheers. Thumbs up from him and thumbs up from me. Say goodbye now. Alright. Thanks for watching.